I've had several questions come up lately around exactly what is virtualization and what does that look like, and most importantly, how does it apply to the healthcare environment. So a real simple example is oftentimes in the healthcare environment you would have a web server, maybe a print server, and also an email server. And historically they would all sit on their own individual server hardware. And the problem with that is you might not utilize all of it. So you might see a web server only utilizing 20% of its capacity, maybe a print server at 50, and who knows where your email server would sit. And that results in a lot of waste of hardware. So virtualization essentially just says, I can put all of this on one server, and I essentially just kind of partition out that server and say you can use this much space for the web server, this much space for the print server, and this much space for the email server. And what that does is that spares us having a lot of extra hardware sitting around. There's further discussions we can have around scaling and how we would scale this across multiple pieces of hardware, but the gist of it is simply this, that we're going to put multiple things on one server and just divide out how it's chunked up.